Hi all, this is Jason. I'm here at the Juniper Springs Recreation Area here in the Ocala National Forest. I'm going to be taking on the Juniper Creek paddling trail today. Juniper Creek flows 7 miles from Juniper Springs to the State Road 19 bridge, and then eventually flows to Lake George on the St. Johns River. We're just going to be paddling the creek to the State Road 19 bridge today. This is one of Florida's most wild paddles. It can often be rather challenging to complete, so I'm a little bit nervous about it, but it should be very fun. Let's see what happens. Back here at Juniper Springs Recreation Area, after that paddle of just over 7 miles, it was a really great paddle, no incidents. The rapids were fun. We had a couple good wildlife sightings, and the scenic beauty is outstanding. So this paddle run is highly recommended, although I would say to make sure to check the water levels and not come here after it's been raining a lot or storming a lot, because it's a completely different experience. But if you can come here on a good day with good water levels, Juniper Springs is an experience that you'll be hard to replicate anywhere else in Florida, so highly recommended.